absolutely thrilled to be a part of the Pittsburgh region as we bring the draft to life.
Being a Black woman in business, there's not too many of us in Pittsburgh who do this, so I feel like I am showing that it could be done.
I'm just thrilled and honored and beyond humbled to be a part of this. This is monumental for the city of Pittsburgh.
The NFL Draft coming to Pittsburgh is such a phenomenal opportunity for the region and especially for our small and local businesses.
Sometimes we're overlooked for the Philadelphias, New York, Chicagos of the world, so this gives us the opportunity to show that we do have the capabilities of a lot of major cities and individuals in those cities.
There's so much of a wealth of just diversity here in our city, and so we're so excited to just be able to showcase that on a global scale.
And it's an opportunity for us to showcase the talent and culture here in Pittsburgh that we have in music and dance, especially within the Chinese culture.
To serve my city and to serve the NFL, it's amazing. It's something breathless, and I'm forever thankful. It's a legacy.
Super excited for my agency to have this opportunity to connect with the NFL, and even more important to be part of something historic in Pittsburgh.
It's the biggest event that the city's going to ever host, and for the Steelers, it's just a great opportunity to give local and diverse businesses the exposure and the opportunity.
We know that local business, small business, is the backbone of the local economy, and we're really excited to utilize the talent that's here to pour into that.